welcome back to my channel after a long. Actually, I've deleted all of the videos and I surely post a question and answer video for that. And till then, here Diwali is upcoming and this is my Diwali outfit. How is it? Actually, my mom my mom gifted me this. Actually, I was so much in love when I was coming back from the market. I bought this super cool earrings also to match with this. I don't know why I have a so craze for silver jewelry, but actually one of the blogger also posted such a video of silver jewelry, so I also used to follow her, so that's why I'm also doing the same video. So without wasting time, moving into the video and start silver jewelry haul. Oh, super cute, and this wine luster over it, it's super awesome. Actually it was not wine, ये कुछ और कलर था इसके ऊपर, but जो मैं रक्षाबंधन पे ड्रेस लाई थी वो वाइन कलर की थी, तो मैंने इसके ऊपर नेल पेंट लगा दिया वाइन कलर का, एंड ये जो बीच के पोर्शंस थे उसके ऊपर मैंने थिनर कर दिया, so they became wine. Yes, I am an artist too. Okay, so moving on to the next earring. This I just got this one. It's something written over here. Om Jyoti Manevar something, मतलब मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है. It's something written like Om Namah Shivaya kind of something written over here. When I was buying this actually, so the shopkeeper was saying ये लेके देखो आप, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में चल रहे हैं and all, but I said to the person no भैया, actually he was telling me it's too much costly this, so I said no I can't get this because ना कभी कभी हम नॉन वेज खा लेते हैं, कुछ खा लेते हैं, अगर हाथ लग गया so that kind of, but when he said चलो आप इतने में ले जाना, I was like तो फिर यही वाला दे दो ना, आप मुझे ये वाला दे दो. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here is the next one, and these are my stubborn favorite earring. I love this silver jewelry seriously so much. Oh my god, I think mirror में पीछे का भी दिख रहा है. I love this one so much. इसको कभी भी पहन सकते हैं, and I think they go in everything. Strapless top पहना था मैंने एक टिकटॉक बनाते हुए, तब मैंने ये पहने थे. उसके बाद I think on sari Durga Puja pe I want this. These are super cool earring. They adjust themselves on every outfit, I guess. These are something like must have earrings. Okay, so next silver jewelry. Okay, so next up we have this. I just love them. I love them so much. They are such a long hoop. पता नहीं यहाँ पहनो तो यहाँ तक they come, and they look so cute. Actually मैंने last कुछ videos में भी इसे पहना था. मैंने actually किसी टिकटॉकर को देखा था ये. This one, these are so cute. They are so cute. They look so better on the ears, I guess, whenever it's wearable. They are so good. Actually मैंने इसको वन पीस पे पहना था, एक ब्लैक कलर का प्लेन वन पीस था, और उसके ऊपर I acted something and it was so damn super. They have. Okay, so next up we have these statement earring. They look so good on shirts and something like official, जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा heavy नहीं पहन सकते, like this, like I'm wearing this on Diwali this time, but if you want it to look so good, so this can go with that outfit. Super cool earrings, and they are such a good earring, trust me. I bought a top from Shein से मैंने ऑर्डर किए थे 2 टॉप. one is one piece and one looks super cool. I want a tubeless top over here and I have paired this earring was such a saver on my tubeless. Okay, so the next one is these silver earrings. They are really cute, but पता नहीं क्यों I'm not too much into them, but yes, I love them. If I found the picture of every earring, I'm gonna post it also. But these one are not that much good. मैं इसको इतना नहीं पहनती, but हाँ, my mom loves them so much. मैं इनको लेकर आई थी for my black patialas. Hey, these are silver earrings. ये मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद थी, मतलब बहुत पसंद थी. मैंने इन्हें लॉन्ग टाइम तक पहना है, मैंने इन्हें काफ़ी लॉन्ग टर्म तक पहना है, और मुझे ये इतनी पसंद थी कि एक्चुअली अब तो थोड़ी ज़्यादा काली पड़ गई है, बट जब मैंने इन्हें ख़रीदा था तो ये ऐसी नहीं थी, बट दे वर सो गुड, और ये इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती थी ऑन ईयर्स. बहुत प्यारा लुक आता था. आई लव दिस सिल्वर ज्वेलरी. Seriously, I'm a kind of now a person of a fan of silver jewelry. So this is the end of the video of silver jewelry haul. This is the end of the video. I just hope you love my all of the earrings, and you can also get some of the silver jewelry for yourself. Silver jewelries are too much ethnic and too much in trend. They give a classy look, I guess, and the moreover thing on silver jewelry is they don't look as cheap as they are. Now silver jewelry has changing its trend too much, but comment section में जरूर बताना which earring you love the most, and if I got, I'll post the picture also. Thank you for watching the video to the full, and thank you for loving me. Again, I'm starting up, please support me. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified again any of my fashion video comes to you. So please love them. Bye bye, see you in the next video. किसी टिकटॉकर को देखा था ये पहने हुए, ओके आई एम बैक आफ्टर। सो ये 2 बारी पहने, दे आर इन माय वॉर्डरोब। या जैसे ये गिर गया ना, ऐसे ये मेरे वॉर्डरोब में बस पड़े रहते, बट आई लव देम बिकॉज मैं खरीद के लाई थी तब मुझे पसंद आए थे। सो दिस इज एंड फॉर माई वीडियो, एंड ऑफ माई जैसे they used to fill it, and trust me, मुझे नहीं लेना होता तब भी मैं रुक जाती हूँ, and I just watch them like this and oh my god, they got my heart over there. So get person of a fan of silver jewelry कि मेरी शादी में मुझे silver jewelry ले लेना. I don't want that gold and all. I just love this. They are so cute. मेरे को बहुत पसंद है.